Dear friends, welcome once again to A Knowledge Hub Gyatva. Today we will start a second chapter, National Integration and Awareness. National integration is very important for a country. That's why it's an integral part of NCC syllabus. Let's begin with the first video.
Today we will discuss about all the important parts of national integration. The main important parts are importance and necessity of national integration, essence of national integration, factors affecting national integration, measures to achieve national integration. National integration means a feeling of togetherness and unity among the people of a country. It is a very positive concept which provides strength to the people to fight against all evil forces. The feeling of togetherness and a sense of belonging are absolutely necessary for a nation to survive. Such a feeling can be generated through the process of integration. National integration has been made a part and parcel of the NCC training. NCC is one of the premier organizations in the country, training the youth and directing the future of a country. Essence of national integration. National integration is an emotional and spiritual bond which binds all of the Indians irrespective of caste, creed, color, race, religion and region. National integration includes the following: cultural integration, economic integration, political integration, religious integration and social integration. National integration is necessary, particularly in a country like India, where people with different languages, religions, races and cultures are required to be weaved together. It is a prerequisite for the survival and prosperity of any nation. National integration is therefore a basic necessary for the survival of any nation through the following means: maintenance of peace and harmony, growth and development of the nation, law and order, cultural and religious development, dignity and self-respect, and welfare and well-being of the people. Next part is factors affecting national integration. India is a country with innumerable diversities but marred with various issues as well as that are obstructing the growth of national feeling, as number of divisive forces are working overtime to divide the nation. Some of the major factors responsible for weakening the national integration are given below: cultural aspects, political motives, lack of education, communalism, casteism, religionism, linguistic fanaticism, social disparity, ethnic conflicts, economic unity, and social unity. Measures to achieve national integration. Number 1 is philosophy of integration. Next is culture as a unifying factor. Promotion of secularism. Role of politics, economic unity, dignity of individuals, socio-economic reforms, education, emotional unity, national language, nationalism and patriotism, proper use of media, political and administrative measures.
Dear friends, I hope you really like the videos. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. Please share your valuable feedback so that we can refine the content delivery for the benefit of all the learners. Together we can elevate the NCC learning experience into new heights. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.